Hello, it's Thursday the 19th of January 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar closed negative against the other major currencies as optimism over Greek debt talks and the news that the International Monetary Fund is attempting to increase its lending capacity boosted risk appetite by $500 billion, supported risky assets. Wall Street closed positive with the S&P increasing by 1.11% and the Dow by 0.78%. Oil rose by 1.30% for the third day and closed at $101.08 a barrel. Gold rose by 0.04% to close at $1,659 an ounce. Today's CPI is expected to grow by 0.2% versus 0.0% previously. The euro gained for a second day versus the dollar with news of the Greek debt and a proposal by the International Monetary Fund to raise its lending capacity by as much as $500 billion to protect the global economy. The trend for the pair remains bearish as long as it's located below the 129 resistance level. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 127.33 and a high of 128.67. Today, the ECB monthly report is expected. The pound weakened for a second day against the euro as data showed the UK's employment rate rose by 8.4% in the quarter through November, the most since January 1996. As long as the rate remains below 155, the trend will continue to be bearish. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 153.43 and a high of 154.41. No major economic data is expected today. The yen closed positive versus the dollar as a weaker dollar versus the other major currencies drifted investors to stick with the yen. Technically, holding above the support level of 76.50 will keep the momentum of the pair positive. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.74 and a high of 76.83. Again, no economic data is expected. The Canadian dollar rose for a third day versus the dollar as higher-yielding assets closed positive following the International Monetary Fund's declaration to raise its lending capacity. The trend for the pair remains bearish as long as it's located below the 101.80 resistance level. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.11 and a high of 101.72. Today, manufacturing sales is expected to come out at 0.90% versus minus 0.80% previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.